Hey, what's going on, people? It's Hugh with ICO Investors, and today we'll talk about KuCoin Exchange. We'll review the KuCoin Exchange and we'll see their pros and cons. Check out the links in the description box. However, this is not a financial advice, and this video is for informational and educational purposes only. So, KuCoin Exchange is a platform for trading and exchanging cryptocurrencies, spots, margins, and futures. They are based in Hong Kong and they have over 3,000 pairs of cryptocurrencies available to trade. There are several different trading options available to suit your personal level, and that includes spot trading, margin trading, and also trading bots. They also have derivatives like futures and leverage tokens, and you can also earn through various other instruments like crypto lending, KuCoin Earn, Spotlight, KCS Bonus, KuCoin Pool, KuCoin Win, and so much more. To get started, you just need to sign up with your email and password just like you would anywhere else. And then click on the activation link in your email and then you're signed in. Deposit funds from another wallet and you can start trading. Now let's talk about the advantages of KuCoin. I'm on fool.com right now and they posted this review about KuCoin Exchange. So here it says that they have low fees. KuCoin trading fees are amongst the lowest on the market. You don't have to pay any monthly account fees, and the withdrawal fees are in line with other exchanges. It's free to deposit crypto, but you will pay a deposit fiat money like US dollars. KuCoin claims that 1 in 4 crypto holders worldwide use its service. The big advantage to such a strong customer base is that it adds liquidity to the market. You're more likely to be able to make the trades you want because there are more people trading. They have a wide range of coins. KuCoin has much broader selection of cryptocurrencies than you'll get at many exchanges or brokerages. If you want to branch out into less popular coins, KuCoin is the worth a look. It also has a spotlight section that promotes new currencies so people can get in early. Just be aware that new or lesser known coins carry more risk than mainstream ones. Earn interest on your crypto. The KuCoin Earn service pays interest on your cryptocurrencies in two ways. You can stake your coins through Pool X, a KuCoin backed company, or you can loan out your crypto and get paid the interest. Staking is a bit of like earning stock dividends. Certain cryptocurrencies use stake coins to help validate the network and keep it secure. The interest you earn by loaning out your crypto is more than you'd get with traditional savings account, though it varies by coin and demand. Average KuCoin pays around 8 to 12% on interest. Advanced features. KuCoin has a lot of extra features, though you'll need to think carefully about whether you want to use them. For example, margin trading allows you to leverage your positions, which is essentially borrowing money to buy more crypto. Only very experienced traders should use leverage because it makes cryptocurrency an already risky investment even riskier. KuCoin also allows you to use trading bots through their mobile app. Trading bots can automatically buy and sell your cryptocurrency so you don't have to be online all the time and follow the market. Now let's talk about some drawbacks or some things that they can improve on their exchange. So first and foremost is that they are not licensed in the US. A customer support representative said that the exchange only provides services for country listed on its Know Your Customer page, which does not include US. Next, they have limited payment methods. KuCoin does not let you buy cryptocurrency with fiat money, but you'll need to do it through a third-party app. You can pay by credit or debit card, Apple Pay and Google Pay, but you cannot deposit money by bank transfer, and the fees can be steep. Also, KuCoin is not for new traders. All right. So if you are new to cryptocurrency, KuCoin site is not easy to use. The fast buy function didn't work at all when I tried it, and the peer-to-peer trading options were only open to people who'd completed the KYC verification process. That said, I did get a quick response from the live support. Now let's take a look at some fees for withdrawal fees for KuCoin Exchange. So on KuCoin Exchange, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, it's 0.0005 Bitcoin, and the minimum withdrawal amount is 0.001 Bitcoin. Ethereum is 0.004 Ethereum, and minimum withdrawal is 0.01 Ethereum. Tether, 1 USDT to 1 USDT or 10 USDT, and minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. Cardano, 1 Cardano, or minimum withdrawal is 2 Cardano. XRP, zero point 0.1 XRP, and minimum withdrawal is 20 XRP. So they are fairly cheaper compared to a lot of other exchanges that have very high fees. So that is it for now. Today we reviewed KuCoin crypto exchange and talked about some advantages and disadvantages of using KuCoin crypto exchange. Please check out the links in the description box. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions down below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you want more content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. Thank you for being here. Take care.